Hi dear viewers, in this particular video I am reviewing the complete life cycle of Plasmodium. The life cycle of Plasmodium, the genus of protozoan parasites responsible for malaria, is a complex process that involves multiple stages and hosts. Understanding this life cycle is a crucial for developing effective prevention and treatment strategies against malaria, a disease that control to pose a significant global health challenge. This document outlines the various stages of the Plasmodium's life cycle, detailing the interaction between the parasite, its mosquito vector, and human host. There are many stages of Plasmodium life cycle. First is the Sporozoite stage. The life cycle begins when an infected female Anopheles mosquito bites a human, injecting sporozoites into the bloodstream. These sporozoites are the infectious forms of parasites and travel to the liver. Second is the liver stage. Once in the liver, the sporozoites invade liver cells or hepatocytes and undergo asexual reproduction. This stage can last from a few days to several weeks, depending on the Plasmodium species. The sporozoites develop into Merozoites, which are then released into the bloodstream when the liver cell rupture. Third is the blood stage. The Merozoites invade red blood cells and continue to multiply asexually. Each infected RBC eventually bursts, releasing more Merozoites into the bloodstream, which can then infect additional RBCs. The cycle of invasion and rupture leads to the clinical symptoms of malaria, including fever, chills, and anemia. Fourth is the gametocyte stage. Some of the merozoites differentiate into sexual forms called gametocytes. There are two types, male and female gametocytes. These gametocytes circulate in the bloodstream and are taken up by a mosquito during a blood meal. Fifth is the mosquito stage or sporogonic cycle. Inside the mosquito, the gametocytes undergo fertilization to form zygotes, which develop into oocynates. The oocynates penetrate the mosquito's midgut wall and form oocysts. Inside the oocysts, numerous sporozoites are formed. When the oocysts rupture, sporozoites are released and migrate to the mosquito's salivary glands, ready to infect a new human host. Conclusion: the life cycle of Plasmodium is a fascinating example of a complex biological process involving multiple hosts and stages. Understanding this life cycle is essential for the development of malaria control strategies, including vaccines and treatments. Continued research and public health efforts are vital to control this pervasive disease and reduce its impact on global health.